RoboAdvisor Retirement Planner Honest review. Watch before using. RoboAdvisor Retirement Planner is an automated tool designed to help users plan for retirement by estimating future income, saving needs, and investment strategies based on your input. And here are the key top features about this platform, which comes with an automated retirement protection. It's also personalized investment advice, easy to set retirement goal, adjust for inflation and risk level. It also comes with a synchronization with your existing account. And here's the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the advantages of this platform, it comes with an easy for beginner interface, which is a simple interface, and also comes with an auto calculate everything, which is at low cost or low fee. So which makes the platform more affordable planning, and also comes with a adjust go anytime, which is very customizable. Now talking about the disadvantages, which is the downside about this platform, it comes with a generic advice at a times, limited human interaction, which is no personal advisor, and assumptions may vary, which is result depends on the data you enter. And here's a very conclusion about this platform. It's a great starter tools for business retirement planning. If you want a quick insight without paying a financial advisor, it works well, but for complex retirement needs, a human advisor may still be a better option.